So hey guys, welcome back to another not vlog. So actually I went to buy my new device, which is Galaxy A51, and yeah, I have already bought it. So I bought it from the Irla Street, which is area in Villeparle West, and no, not from the Alpha, a new shop. Actually not a new shop, but to the public it might be new, Mobile World. They're Samsung authorized, and yeah, I got a good price. I bought it for 22,000. I bargained and I got it for 22,000. So yeah, it's a nice device, and I'm going to do the unboxing as well right now. So enjoy. So hey guys, you watched the unboxing. How was it? Just tell me, comment down below. And yeah, now this is the device I have here, Galaxy A51. It's been quite a few days I bought this device, and now I'm going to show you some samples like the vlogging style, because I know you like this style. So yeah, here we are, and we'll be clicking some samples and you can check them and tell me what do you feel about this. If you want to know more about this device, or if you want me to review this device, then comment down below and tell me if you want a good review about it. Because yeah, I know that you might be thinking that there are many videos on YouTube, but they might be paid, they might be biased, or they might not be biased. But you know, I'm a small creator with only almost 400 subscribers, so yeah, nobody's going to pay me to say something good about this device. So yeah, watch the samples and tell me. Hey guys, so the video you are currently seeing is being recorded via handheld, and yeah, so autofocus is locked, but let me turn it on. Okay, so this is autofocus, and this is doing handheld. This is 1920 to 1080p video with stabilization turned on. This is not a super steady video, which I'll be showing to you later. So this will give you an idea about how the video quality is. Audio is also being recorded via the internal microphone, and let's check the autofocus speed. Yeah, so autofocus speeds looks good as well. So yeah, you be the judge. To me it looks good. Colors are a little less punchy, but this is what natural colors look like. And yeah, this was the bark of the tree. So guys, this video you are currently seeing is the super steady variant of this version. Super steady is now turned on. The previous video you saw was when the super steady was turned off. Audio is also being recorded by the Intel microphone, and you tell me how is the video quality, because to me on the phone screen it looks good. I already informed you about the autofocus speeds, and yeah, the area you are seeing is also very nice. There is a lot of greenery over here, so all the natural colors coming in here as well. It also looks good. Autofocus already informed you, and yeah, that is it. So this is the front video sample from the Galaxy A51 device, and this is also being recorded via the handheld. I don't know if there is stabilization on the front camera, but to me it looks good. Stabilization also looks good, and you tell me. Autofocus speeds are nice, and the range it covers is also nice, because as you can see behind me there is a lot of stuff I can cover. So yeah, if I want to vlog with this, I can definitely do that, because I know this is going to be my primary device and there are going to be a lot of vlogs created using this. So yeah, these were a few video samples you saw, and yeah, I'm going to continue in this device, because this was the one you saw earlier was my original device, the old device, and this is the new device, and this is the new device, and I'm going to record videos with this. And that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and thanks for watching.